Welcome to this tutorial on how to fix the Canon printer blinking orange light. This issue can be frustrating, but fortunately, it is often easy to resolve. The blinking orange light on your Canon printer typically indicates a problem with the printer's ink system, paper jam, or other internal issues. First, let's start with the basics. Ensure your printer is properly plugged in and turned on. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve the issue. Turn off your printer, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. If the light is still blinking, proceed to the next step. Next, check for any paper jams. Open the printer cover and gently pull out any stuck paper. Make sure to remove any scraps or debris that may be causing the issue. Also, check the paper tray for any misaligned or wrinkled paper. Reload the paper and try printing again. If the issue persists, it may be related to the ink system. Check the ink levels and replace any empty cartridges. Make sure to use genuine Canon ink cartridges to avoid any compatibility issues. Also, clean the printhead to ensure proper ink flow. You can do this by running the printer's built-in cleaning cycle or by manually cleaning the print head with a soft cloth. Another possible cause of the blinking orange light is a faulty or clogged printhead. Try resetting the printhead to its default settings. You can do this by accessing the printer's control panel and navigating to the maintenance or troubleshooting section. In some cases, the issue may be related to a firmware problem. Check the Canon website for any firmware updates for your specific printer model. Download and install the update. Then restart your printer. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be worth resetting your printer to its factory settings. This will erase all custom settings, so make sure to take note of any changes you have made before doing so. You can usually find the reset option in the printer's control panel or by consulting the user manual. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Canon printer blinking orange light and get your printer up and running again. Remember to always use genuine Canon ink cartridges and to regularly clean and maintain your printer to prevent future issues.